Put Tony's nuts in your mouth. Fucking hell. Tony has big nuts and small nuts.
Your nuts.
Not my fucking nut. You need to put your cheeky bit. There is no nuts that Tony does not sell. Tony sells his nuts all day. He always has a line. They're very popular, Tony's nuts, aren't they? Say Tony's nuts smell great. Some say they taste divine. They take those hot and salty nuts and put them in their mouth.
I don't put your nuts in my mouth.
People hear that? It's a fucking ignorant. He knows your mum will take them home and suck them tonight. Look at him. Look at him winking. His name's fucking BJ. BJ looks at Tony's nuts and tries hard not to stir as Stephen grabs on his nutsack and finds a big old pear. BJ plays with Tony's nuts in the closet at his house. Grandpa says he should just come out as he pops one in his mouth.
You like me playing with your nuts though, don't you?
Grandpa likes to... oh wow! Grandpa likes to go in there and take his camera with him, taking pictures of his nuts. He loves to look at photographs when Tony's nuts are in there. He swears it is a weird or queer. He says it's not a crime. Grandpa's a dirty bastard. Grandpa licks the soap right off Tony's nuts sometimes. The girls too like Tony's nuts. Of this there is no doubt. Every girl around this town has put them in her mouth. On the way to school today, riding on the bus, the Johnson twins